The Lord gives wonderful promise today. And today's promise is taken from Exodus chapter 23, verse 30. The Lord says, little by little I will expel your enemies from your territory as you increase us in number. Let us read it together. Little by little I will drive them out from before you until you have increased and possess the land. So the Lord will chase away your enemies, but God will not kill your enemies. God will transform your enemies into your friends. That's the message of Jesus. When you increase your faith in Jesus, when your prayer increases, when your faith increases, the enemies and their number will decrease, not by killing them, not by destroying them, but their enmity will be destroyed and they will decrease in their enmity. And these enemies are going to become your friends and philanthropists, and also they will become disciples of Jesus. So worry not about your enemies, because your God himself is going in front of you and fight against your enemies and protect you. Book of Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4 says, I myself will go before you and I will fight for you until you get a victory over your enemies.